Forest Service in Green Bay has just activated the warning alarm tone for a test tornado warning using the required weekly test headers. A test tornado warning has been issued for all of Wisconsin until 2 p.m. This is a test message. Repeat, this is a test message. At 1:45 p.m., there is no severe weather occurring in the forecast area. This is only a drill. This drill is part of the annual 2023 Wisconsin Severe Weather Awareness Week. If this was an actual severe weather event, a specific severe weather product would be issued pertaining information about the hazard. This has been a test tornado warning message in conjunction with the Wisconsin 2023 Tornado and Severe Weather Awareness Week. Another tornado drill will be held at 6:45 p.m. This concludes this test. We now return to normal programming.